Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to finger tat, but why would we want to finger tat? Finger tatting can come to our rescue if we find that we're very close to completing our motif and there's just not quite enough thread left on our shuttle. We can remove the shuttle and complete the last few stitches with finger tatting. Adding beads to our work can be done as we go as opposed to adding beads to the shuttle. Finger tatting works well here if you're trying to match the colour of the bead to the colour, say if you're working a variegated thread, but it is a tedious way of doing it. I don't think you'd want to work a big project in this way, but for small motifs it's really good. Finger tatting is also used when making single shuttle split rings, so it is a good technique to know. It's very easy to do. You can place a small knot at the end of the thread if you like. It can make it a little easier to get a hold of. We're doing our first half and our second half of double stitch. So for the first half we're going under the core thread, over, flip your stitch. For the second half we go over and under and flip. First half again, second half, and that's all there is to it. I hope you've enjoyed the video. See you next time.